there is a lot of echo coming from your end. It will be easier for me. All right. So a very warm evening to all of you. I hope आप लोग सब ठीक हैं, safe हैं. Welcome to Forever Star India and your first step into the, becoming the journey of embracing the journey of Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021. So audition का process कुछ 2 steps में रहेगा. We have our duty for the day. Our director of the project, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, she will be taking up the details into it. Other than that, audition will be in 2 process, 2 steps. So the first step is going to be a ramp walk. तो आप लोग अपना device ऐसी जगह place करेंगे where we can see you walking. So 2 rounds of ramp walk and then you sit back. And then of course we move to your introduction where you sit back for your introduction जिसमें आप keep it very short and crisp about your educational qualifications, your hobbies, and of course very important, why are you here today and why do you want to win the crown of Miss or Mrs. India 2021. So ramp walk सब लोग एक साथ शुरू करेंगे. I won't be asking एक एक करके, so आप लोग शुरू कर सकते हैं. Introduction के लिए I will be asking each of you to start one by one. I hope that is okay. So please move forward. Thank you. प्रणाली, भव्या, श्रेया, हर्षदा, आप लोग भी रैम्प वॉक शुरू कर सकते हैं. जी बिंदु, नीतू जी आप शुरू कीजिए प्लीज. यू कैन सी. Yes, yes, Bindu, continue. Bhavya, you can also begin. And Pooja and Kalpana, आप लोग भी अपनी रैम्प वॉक शुरू कर दीजिए प्लीज.
Okay.
2 rounds and you can sit back. आप automatically 2 rounds complete करके प्लीज बैठ जाइएगा. All right. Thank you so much, ladies. All of you can sit back. And I request each one of you to mute yourself because I will be interacting one-on-one. So, Pooja, Pranali, please अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए. All right, let's start with Manya. Hi, Manya.
Hello, ma'am.
How are
Hello,
you?
everyone. I'm good. How about you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So, would love to hear something about you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Hello, everyone. My name is Manya Dixit, and I live in Lucknow, that is Nawabul ka Sheher. Well, currently I'm living in Mathura because I'm pursuing my BDS degree, so soon to be a doctor. I like to write, sing, traveling, and many more else. Well, I would like to share one of my writings with you all. That is, life is all about the pages of notebook, whether we make that page creative or worthy or leave that page blank. So here I am before you all to fill that page with one of my new experience of life by giving audition to one of my biggest platform, that is Forever Star India, before entering in medical line. So today I got the opportunity to stand, so I don't want to miss it. Now, I would like to say that I'm not perfect, but I want to become it. Because for me, failure doesn't mean that I lose the game, but it means that I am one more closer to this steps towards the success. So at last, I'm ending my brief intro over here. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Manya. Thank you. That was so well put. So moving forward, let's talk to Bindu. Hi, Bindu. अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए.
Okay, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. So please tell me something about yourself.
My name is Bindu Kanikanti. I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I had my graduation in pharmacy and I got married immediately after my studies. And now I'm working as a personal trainer in a reputed gym. And on the other hand, I'm doing my nutrition and diploma in personal training course. Today I am here just because of my family who supports me in everything, and they are the backbone of for me. And my greatest strengths are working, quick learning, honesty, and I'm a self-loving girl. My hobbies include drawing, dancing, cooking, and doing crafts. Today I want to show that I'm here just because of today I want to show that society for female entrepreneurship, and they should stand uh, on their legs, and they should show that women after marriage are not uh, only only implemented to like cooking or only for household purpose. They're meant for everything. They have dreams and they should succeed in everything they want. And this is the best opportunity I have got after my marriage, and I should do to the society and yours.
Thank you so much, Bindu. Thank you. That was so well put, and I really appreciate, that you are here to break stereotypes. Kalpana, I request you to mute yourself. आपके यहाँ से बहुत echo आ रहा है. It's disturbing the other participants का part. Thank you. So moving forward to Neetu ji. Hi, Neetu.
Hi, Harry. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go on.
Okay. So I'm Neetu Bhardwaj, a graduate in commerce from Delhi University. And I did my NIFD, my fashion designing from NIFD Gurgaon. And in 2007, at the age of 25, I got married to a wonderful human being. And I'm a proud mother of 3 beautiful children, one of which has entered her teens. So professionally, I'm running a farm stay with the name Brigadier's Plantation Retreat in Palwal, Haryana. I believe that whatever we are inside is manifested in our environment with people and circumstances. So I believe in being joyful and hopeful all the time. And I try to inspire others also by showing that actual proof in my life so that they can also be joyful and find the purpose of their life, and whatever the circumstances are and whatever the situations are. So I believe that humanity is the biggest cause and which we can do and which we can create. And I believe in the law of cause and effect. And the mission of my life is to be happy and spread happiness. So why I'm contesting here and why I'm here is that because I want to expand my horizon, and I have got a platform with which I can connect to the people and help them to raise their life condition, to raise their life state. Because once the life state of the humanity is risen, so we can change the destiny of the world, the destiny of the nations, and the destiny of this whole universe. And we need more and more hopeful and joyful people in today's world. So that is why I'm here. Thank you so much.
That was wonderfully put, Neetu. And you had a very novel thought in the process. There's just one thing that I wanted to ask. What do you enjoy as an individual, considering, of course, you are all into trying to be happy zone and to spread happiness. But what are your hobbies?
I love to connect with people. I love to have dialogue, and I love to cook because all my husband is a foodie and my kids also love food. So I try and cook different dishes for them. And I want to read more because I love books, and I have been a very good, I have very good collection of books. So I love to read when I'm having any spare time. So I love to read in that time.
Okay, thank you so much, Neetu. Moving forward, I shall get back to you in a while. So
Thank you so much.
next will be Pranali. Hi Pranali, can you please unmute yourself?
हाय मैम,
How are you? कैसी हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छी। आई एम ऑडिबल मैम?
जी आप बिल्कुल ऑडिबल हैं। अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Dream is not just a see in sleep. Dream is something that does not sleep you. Namaste. My name is Pranali Manoj Umre. I am 21 years old. I am from Usmanabad, Maharashtra. I am doing my B Pharmacy and I am also working in Pharmacy Kruti Samiti, which helps and fights for students' rights. Coming to my hobbies, I like to acting, modeling, dancing, and drawing. Hello,
Yeah, we can hear you. Please go on.
I am just a passionate girl about what I do. Ma'am,
जी Pranali, हम आपको सुन पा रहे हैं. Please carry on.
I always like to learn something new that can do change in myself.
Okay.
Ma'am, voice problem, I think so.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मे बी आपके स्क्रीन पे हम लोग स्टक होंगे, बट हम आपको बहुत क्लियरली सुन पा रहे हैं. सो आप प्लीज कैरी ऑन कीजिए.
Okay, ma'am. And at last but not least, if I got this opportunity, I will definitely win the title of Mrs. India 2021. Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू प्रणली, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेलिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ. बट अगर मैं आपसे एक चीज पूछूं, आपको एक एक्टर बनना है या मॉडल बनना है, थ्रू दिस पैजेंट?
मॉडल बनना है. मैं रील्स भी बनाती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पर.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन मुझे ज्यादा रुचि मॉडलिंग में है.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच प्रणली, दैट वाज वेरी वेल पुट एंड आई शैल मूव फॉरवर्ड. आप प्लीज खुद को म्यूट कर लीजिए, मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ. सो भव्या, हाय भव्या.
हेलो मैम, गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग, कैसी हैं आप?
हम अच्छे हैं, आप बताइए मैम.
हम भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
जी मैम. मैम, माय नेम इज भव्या गौड़ एंड आई एम फ्रॉम कानपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश. एंड मैम मैं ग्रेजुएशन कर रही हूँ और मेरी हॉबीज हैं सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, मूवी एंड मॉडल. एज अ मॉडल मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं मतलब एक एक्टिंग तो होती है अपनी लाइफ में, बट मॉडल का अपना एक अलग ही अंदाज होता है. तो मैं करके दिखाना चाहती हूँ, सबको प्रूव करना चाहती हूँ कि लड़कियां भी किसी से कम नहीं होती हैं. एंड मैम, मैं ग्रेजुएशन कर चुकी हूँ और थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Bhavya. Thank you. And I understand that acting is a different space, but still modeling is a very, very different space that excites a lot of passion.
Yes, ma'am.
The ramp walk and all of that is a cause and effect that creates a lot of excitement. So thank you so much, and I request you to put yourself on mute so that I can move forward. Yeah. Shreya, hi Shreya.
हाय मैम, गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening. कैसे हैं आप?
मैं मस्त हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
हम भी अच्छे हैं. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज.
My name is Shreya Namdev Nikam and I'm 20 years old. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I have completed my graduation in microbiology. And my skills and talents is I like to drawing. Also, I love dance, and I'm a Hindi artist. I like to different designs. And my purpose behind participate this show is just not to win the crown, just not to get a publicity, is to be source of the inspiration to other girls as well as like me, in belongs to the average category. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shreya. And you do not belong to an average category. You're a very beautiful human, and it takes a lot of courage to sit across the screen, to put in that effort, and एक किसी नए इंसान के साथ ऐसे स्क्रीन पे बैठना और अपने बारे में बात करना, बहुत हौसला चाहिए उस चीज के लिए. सो आपने एक चीज ऑलरेडी अचीव कर ली है. सो आई एम श्योर आप एवरेज कैटेगरी तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. So आगे बढ़ते हुए, let me have a word with Kalpana. Hi Kalpana. Kalpana Deshmukh, can you hear us? आप please अपना video और audio on कर लीजिए. I think there is some connectivity issue. Moving forward, Pooja. Hi Pooja, can we please hear from you?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm fine. I'm doing good.
Great.
I hope you're also looking very beautiful and very energetic.
Thank you, thank you. I have to be. अगर मैं ही energy infuse नहीं करूँगी तो आप लोग already dead हो जाओगे. You know, you will be scared. You don't have to be nervous.
So you are going to we are just following you.
All right,
Shall I
Pooja,
start?
please tell me something. Yeah, please go ahead.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. I believe the more harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. Myself Pooja Kapoor. I'm from Ludhiana, city of Punjab. I've been married since past 12 years. I'm blessed with lovely husband and 2 smart kids. I've done my master's in commerce. I've done I'm doing PhD. I'm B.Ed qualified and C.Ted qualified also. When you dance, you enjoy the luxury of being you. Dance is my passion, and I'm really fond of dancing. Moreover, I'm really fond of cooking, and I always believe that I'm a self-motivated woman. You can say I'm a great problem solver, and I can see the problem with different perspectives and can come to a solution very beautifully. And the main motive of participating in this pageant is that I really want to prove that a multitasking lady like me, who is a teacher, who is a student also, as I'm learning, I'm doing PhD, I'm teaching also, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, has the capability, has the charisma to come on the stage to just rock it and prove that yes, we women are not less. And we have that courage, that you can say that motivation that definitely will reach not even in the country, but outside the world. Thank you.
Definitely, Pooja, definitely. You were more energetic than me, and you know, hearing you out had just doubled my energy. Thank you so much. And we completely understand, you know, the idea of putting, because see, we women are put into shells from the beginning, considering, you know, हमारी basic dress choices से लेके life choices भी control करने की कोशिश की जाती है. There is, the society is such. And talking about why your passion fits right into the platform is because we as a platform are, you know, hamara 95% of employees are females. Even our director, the head of our project, is a female. So we understand how important it is, you know, ki there is no standard to a beauty, there are no conventions to a beauty. Every
Yes.
woman is beautiful because we are hardworking and we are equally capable of proving ourselves to the society as men. And for that matter, not marriage, not our height, not, you know, our color, nothing can stop us from achieving.
I mean, we can it doesn't mean that what we are wearing, it reflects that we are carrying confidence now.
Exactly.
I believe in this too.
Absolutely. I completely understand your vibe there. Thank you so much, Pooja, for putting light onto that. And I shall
Thank
move
you.
forward. Okay, Sushmita. Hi, Sushmita.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am good.
I am good.
Okay, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Myself, Sushmita Das. I am from Shimrali, Nadia, and I have completed my graduation in the year of 2019. Now, my profession is a dance teacher, and मेरा एक art decoration का business भी है. और मैं मेरे फ्रेंड के साथ एक ग्रुप बना के सोशल मीडिया पे काम करती हूँ. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा हैंडक्राफ्ट बनाना जो सबको पसंद आता है, और इसलिए मुझे भी पसंद आती है. और मेरे हॉबीज है डांसिंग, एक्टिंग, हैंडक्राफ्टिंग और मॉडलिंग. एंड मेरे माँ पापा का सपना पूरा करने के लिए मैं गवर्नमेंट नर्सिंग ट्रेनिंग में ज्वाइन किया हूँ, और मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट मिला उस तरफ से. सो मेरा सपना पूरा करने के लिए तो मैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए अप्लाई किया. इसलिए दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी फॉरवर्ड मिस एंड मिसेस इंडिया को मुझे इतना अच्छा मौका देने के लिए. सो थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सुष्मिता. एंड लेकिन अगर आपके सपने की बात करें तो अपना सपना है क्या? एक्टर बनना, मॉडल बनना, या आपको क्या आपको क्या अचीव करना है?
I will be actress, ma'am. I will be actress.
You will be an actress. You will be a top-notch actress.
Yes, ma'am.
For sure. So moving forward, thank you, Sushmita. And last we have for the day is Harshada. Hi, Harshada.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah. My name is Harshada Thurve. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I'm a company secretary by profession, and my hobbies include reading, cooking, then sketching and painting. I also watch cricket. I love cricket. Then more about myself, I would say that I'm here because I think that you only live once, and why should not explore everything you have? So when I just came across this event, I was like, I should explore this too, and that's why I enrolled in Forever Miss India.
Okay, that's really interesting. And I understand that when life gives you those chances, you should always try to grab them as much as you can. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies. It was lovely hearing from each one of you. आपने already realize कर लिया होगा कि कैसे आप लोग एक दूसरे से कितने different हैं. But still that one thing that binds each one of us is to prove yourself to yourself. अपने आप पे एक ग्रो करने की जो चाह है, वर्क करने की, to groom yourself, to move forward and to not stop no matter what comes around the way is what binds all of us together. Even if we are in a different position, हम लोग participant नहीं है, but eventually we are also working to achieve the same. And yeah, so आज आपका first step इस पूरे process में complete होता है इस journey में, which is audition round, and within 48 to 72 hours आपको एक audition report email कर दी जाएगी, which will be ensuring you कि आप select हुए हो नहीं हुए हो. Now why an audition report? आज तक किसी भी ब्यूटी पैजेंट ने स्पेशली इंडिया में नहीं किया है that they give out an audition report. This audition report will act like a certificate to ensure कि आज आप लोग जब सुबह उठे होंगे, you must be excited. आज मेरा audition है, मुझे तैयारी करनी है, I have to sit back across, I have to do my makeup, select my outfit. So मेहनत डली, right? So we want कि आप जब भी मेहनत करें उस चीज का आपको एक आउटपुट मिले, एक रिजल्ट मिले. And you should know कि आप कहाँ improve कर सकते हैं और कहाँ there are chances of growth, because it should be a transparent process. That is what we want to keep it from the scratch. आप select हो ना हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर मैं select नहीं हुई तो what are the chances I can improve on so that it helps you in the future. That's the whole idea. And this platform is extremely inclusive and is here only to empower women. Beauty pageant सिर्फ एक जरिया है, to reach out women like you who are here to make a mark for themselves. इसीलिए इस pageant का criteria बहुत inclusive रखा गया है. अगर आप एक standard model height pageants की देखें तो एक standard model height expect की जाती है 5'5", 5'6". उससे नीचे you are not considered to be that the conventional beauty model. But then came social media जिसने सारे standards break कर दिए, and anybody who is just talented is here to prove themselves. That is what we want to promote. हमें we don't care आपकी height क्या है, आपका age क्या है, आपका weight क्या है. If you have the passion to prove yourself and to make a mark for yourself, I'm sure you're going to go a long way. And about the platform, I would really request Kirti ma'am to take over and talk about it in detail. Over to you, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harry, for talking about the platform so beautifully. And thank you so much, ladies. It has been lovely listening to each one of you. When I take these auditions on a regular basis and when I meet new women, females every day who are so passionate. And, when we talk about growth, the first step towards growth is knowing about yourself. When you can talk confidently about yourself, that means, yes, you are there, right? You are just going there on this path of growth. So you all are again so unique, yet so similar, because we are here on this platform for one thing: we want to grow, right? I'm sure everyone just relates to it. And when we talk about the platform, because before we move on to the next step, you must know where are you, what is Forever Star India community. And again, as Harry has said, do not consider it just as a beauty pageant, right? We do beauty pageants, we are into award shows and a lot of other events too. But our goal is common. We want to do women empowerment. We want to empower women like you. We want to uplift women like you who have some passion in their minds and they want to make a difference in the society, right? And that difference can be made in any of the ways. Agar aapko cook karna acha lagta hai, you can make a difference in the society. Agar aapko social work karna acha lagta hai, really good, aap bahut acha difference kar sakte hain society mein. If you want to act, then also you can contribute in your own ways. So here we are going to take everything step by step. Your first step has been completed. You will be receiving your audition report. If you are selected, then you will be completing the participation process. ये आपका अगर selection हो जाता है तो आप अपना participation process कैसे complete करेंगे? Then after you complete your participation process, we will be looking at your training and grooming sessions, which will go on for a time period of 4 to 5 months, starting from tomorrow, right? For example, if you receive your audition report tomorrow, then after tomorrow, you will be receiving your training and grooming sessions once or twice a week. Let me tell you, this platform is 95%, virtual. I mean, all the training sessions, the grooming sessions, looking at the situation that is going on right now, you do not need to travel anywhere. Sitting at your homes comfortably, you can avail these training sessions on a regular basis. And if you say that, I am busy during the mornings, so how will I be able to attend the session? So we have different batches for different candidates. If you're busy during the mornings, we'll give you an afternoon or evening batch. If you're busy during the afternoons, we'll give you a morning or an evening batch, right? And then when I say that we are not looking at those beauty standards, we want to rise above that, because the pageants that have been happening in the country till now, they have made up our mindset that yes, if you want to participate in a beauty pageant, if you want to get ahead in modeling, if you want to act, then you should have a minimum height of 5'6" or 5'7", right? You should have this specific color, your hair should look like this, your body should look like this. But we want to break these stereotypes of the society. And how can we do that? हम सब लोग मिलके वो कर सकते हैं, because we already have thousands of members on this community. Harry is going to share our links, our website link, our Facebook or Instagram link. So if you go and check it out, you'll realize that these are the number of community members that we have. यानी कि आप किसी भी चीज में अगर पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो सबसे बड़ा जो बेनिफिट आपको मिलता है वो मिलता है इस कम्युनिटी की लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप का. It means your profile will be created here once you participate, and this profile is going to stay here forever, right? You have your profiles on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So here also your profile will be there. And इस प्रोफाइल की वजह से लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप का आपको क्या फायदा मिलेगा? वो तो सब जगह है आपकी प्रोफाइल. सो व्हाट डिफरेंस इज इट गोइंग टू मेक हियर? अगर यहाँ पे आपकी प्रोफाइल होती है तो आपकी प्रोफाइल, फॉर एग्जांपल, आपको एंड जो बाकी प्रोफेशनल्स इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं, आप एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं एट अ प्रोफेशनल लेवल. लाइक यू सेड, आई लव टू एक्ट, आई लव टू डांस, या आप कोरियोग्राफी करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज अभी बहुत बेसिक लेवल पे हम हैं. लेकिन अगर हमें ग्रो करना है तो हमारी अभी ट्रेनिंग्स होंगी. वी हैव 150+ ट्रेनर्स टू ग्रूम यू फॉर दैट मैटर. These experts are going to get the best out of you. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है कि हमें लगता है हम इस चीज में अच्छे हैं, लेकिन शायद ये चीज हमें अच्छे से नहीं आती. लेकिन जब आपकी हर एस्पेक्ट में these trainers are going to work on different aspects of your personality. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट राउंड के लिए एक इमेज कंसल्टेंट आपको ट्रेन करेगा. सेकेंड राउंड के लिए एक मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आपको ट्रेन करेगा. हमें लगता है नहीं, हमें मेकअप करना नहीं अच्छा लगता, मुझे आता ही नहीं है बेसिक मेकअप. लेकिन जब हम आपको ट्रेन करेंगे तो हो सकता है आपका उस चीज में इंटरेस्ट बन जाए. फाइनल राउंड में जो टैलेंट राउंड 3 होगा, उसमें एक रैंप वॉक एक्सपर्ट, शी इज गोइंग टू टीच यू द टेक्निकलिटीज ऑफ अ रैंप वॉक, राइट? तो ग्रेजुअली यू विल सी अ डिफरेंस इन योर ओन सेल्फ. उसके बाद क्या होगा कि आपकी कैपेबिलिटीज के अकॉर्डिंग जब आपको पता चलेगा that yes, this is my passion, this is what I really want to do, then you will get business opportunities here on this platform. So that's what is the catch here. कि बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज हम आपको कैसे देंगे. एज अ ट्रेनर हम आपके साथ कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं इन फ्यूचर. Like we have 150 plus trainers this year. Next year we'll have a different set of trainers. और उन trainers में आप भी हो सकते हैं. Secondly, हम अपना खुद का OTT platform launch करने वाले हैं. So I'm sure everyone is well aware of OTT. This, you know, in this pandemic time, Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar, they have been a savior for all of us, right? तो हम Forever Star India का एक OTT platform launch कर रहे हैं 2022 के end में. उस OTT प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए हमें एक्टर्स, कोरियोग्राफर्स, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स एंड यू जस्ट नेम इट, हमें इन सारी प्रोफाइल्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी जो कि हम इस कम्युनिटी से ही लेने वाले हैं. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो आउटसाइड समवेयर टू फाइंड दीज पीपल. वी विल बी गिविंग 100% प्रेफरेंस टू आवर ओन एक्टिव मेंबर्स. दैट मीन्स दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉन्ग टर्म एसोसिएशन फॉर अस. वी आर गोइंग टू हेल्प ईच अदर ग्रो. यहाँ पे श्रेया, आपका कंपटीशन मान्या के साथ नहीं है, और फॉर दैट मैटर सुष्मिता, आपका कंपटीशन नीतू के साथ नहीं है. योर कंपटीशन इज गोइंग टू बी विद योर ओन सेल्फ. वी आर गोइंग टू जज यू ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ ग्रोथ दैट यू आर मेकिंग. आज आप कहाँ पे हैं, और आपकी रैंप वॉक एक्सपर्ट जब ट्रेनिंग हो जाएगी एक रैंप वॉक एक्सपर्ट के द्वारा, उसके बाद आप कहाँ पे होते हैं आफ्टर 1 month. So that is how we are going to judge you. Please go through all the social media links that have been shared with you. And then once you receive your audition report, complete your participation process at the earliest, because though I didn't want to mention it here, but it is really exciting that we have also started with a contest recently. So when I say कि आपकी growth gradually होने वाली है, तो हमारा जो participation process है, it has been going on for the last 3 months. राइट. तो जो ऑलरेडी पार्टिसिपेट कर चुके हैं उनके लिए हमने एक कॉन्टेस्ट स्टार्ट किया है जिसमें वो एक वीडियो बनाएंगे खुद की. एंड यू नो, आउट ऑफ ऑल द एंट्रीज दैट वी विल बी गेटिंग, वी विल बी सिलेक्टिंग अ विनर हु इज गोइंग टू गेट अ कैश प्राइज ऑफ 11,000 rupees. So you know, why am I telling this to you? So that you know कि हर स्टेप पे आपकी ग्रोथ होने वाली है. आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन से थोड़ा सा बाहर निकलने वाले हो. You are going to try new things. And as Harshada said, we only get to live once. So why not explore life to the fullest, right? So yes, I am really excited to see you all for the training sessions ahead. All the best from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. It was lovely hearing from you. You know, I am sure participants are more than clear, you know, and they're all ready and excited to delve onto this journey ahead. मैंने social media के details share कर दिए हैं. Check out the details, take a screenshot and reach out to us on all these platforms. I'm sure you guys are going to have a fun time, you know, looking out what the participants have been up to. And you know, she's already mentioned what all benefits you are going to enroll into, and you can see it for live. You know, आप groomings देख सकते हैं, how they've already started and all of that. So we are really excited to have you guys on board. There's just one more thing. We just want one input from your end. That would be, you know, कि जैसे आप लोगों को हमारे बारे में सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू पता चला. That is how powerful social media is. We want you to create a brand of yourself on social media and start tagging us. What do I mean by a brand? आज मानुषी चिल्लर, if she is a winner, उनकी सोशल मीडिया represent self, you know, her as a brand. वो इतना impactful है, उनका content इतना impactful है. कल को आप जब विनर, you know, बनोगे, आप में से कोई विनर बनेगा, so you should hold a social media brand valid enough to validate you as a winner. You know, it should represent you as a winner. So we want कि आप भी हमारे साथ grow करें, and you know, so that we get to see your capabilities. And social media एक ऐसा freedom oriented tool है जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी output, you know, create कर सकते हैं with any of your talents. क्योंकि राउंड्स में क्या रहता है, क्राइटेरिया सेट होता है, यू नो, ये ड्रेस कोड है, ये करना है, ये नहीं करना है. लेकिन सोशल मीडिया इज अ कंप्लीट फ्री स्पेस. You can express what you want to, you can convey what you want to, and that is what we want. क्योंकि आगे भी जब opportunities होंगी, be it, you know, OTT, because इस pageant में directly acting से related कुछ नहीं होगा, but अगर आप अपनी acting videos डालते हैं, you know, you display your talents through reels and all of that, we would be more than happy to, because that way we can remember, you know, we would be more than happy to collaborate with you as an actor in future. Similarly, when Bindu says she's into nutritionist, you know, she's a nutritionist, she's into fitness. So looking at her profile and her capabilities as a fitness trainer through social media, because that is the only way we can know you guys, because सब कुछ virtual है. So हमारे पास भी एक limited space है आप लोगों के बारे में और जानने का. So social media will allow you that freedom. So create content that expresses your personality, highlights it, so that we can also bank upon that and collaborate with you guys in future for further opportunities. So that would be it from us both, me and Kirti ma'am. Thank you so much for your time, ladies. It was lovely hearing from each one of you. I hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, time with us, and I'm wishing you all the best. And मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ training session. Goodbye.